Hi, my name is Ben, and I started trading cryptocurrencies in 2017. And in order to help me save time and trade more, I created an algorithm that automatically scans the markets. In this series, I will show you how to manage the trades created by the trading bot and how you can become profitable using the algorithm. Now, it's been a while since my last video, so today I wanted to show you the total results so far and also the results of last month. And I can tell you they're pretty interesting, so make sure that you stick around for those. And also, if you like these videos, then please make sure that you like and subscribe so that you never have to miss it again. Okay, so let's get started. So it's been a while, so let's have a look at the two bots that we have, the median profit one and the 10% profit one. If we go over to the median one, we can see that we don't have any open positions, and we can see the list of recently closed positions. We have a few timed out ones, but that's okay. And then we have the 10% one with two positions open, energy and KLV, and the rest is closed. Now the settings are still for concurrent positions. On the median one, we still have 3 because we have T-loss still open. So let's go to the trading terminal, and you can see the rest is all closed. With the recent one being closed, ZEC, and ZEC was a long-running position. We have to zoom out for this one. You can see we started here. It didn't really work out. I tried to sell some, and then it went even lower, so I sold a little bit more aggressively, and then what do you know, it starts to go up and actually would have reached the profit level. But then, yeah, sometimes you get in those situations, and we have to stick to the plan. So selling at that point was the only way for me, and actually buying back on the way down. And then it just slowly grinded down until we got some more volatility right here. And then actually the last few days I managed to get out in profit. Now it's a very small profit, but if you compare that to taking a loss from all the way down here, then it's really, really worth it. And I will show you in the trading analytics why that is. And in the last few days, we've also had XDB. Now, as you can see here, it's just XDB, XDB, XDB. And we've made a lot of profit on those ones. It was just 10% after 10%. So let's have a look at the chart. And we can go a little bit closer for this one. So you can see this major base is still broken. It was a slow grind. So not really the panics that we got afterwards. So the first one started off a little bit rough, but then you got the big panic, and then the recovery was there. Big panic with the recovery, big panic with recovery, big panic with recovery. Now you can see that the market is breaking out to the side now. So there could be a big rally up again. So that would be good for people that are stuck in here. Yeah, just make sure that you keep trading those bounces, because they do make hefty bounces. And even if you had bought here, if you sold here and bought back here, you would have made profit. And you could have done the same thing here. If you sold here, you could have made a profit. Sold here, could have made a profit. So even if you accumulated funds right here, you can still recover that much quicker on a way down like this. But you have to make sure that you keep playing those bounces. Always sell on the way up. And yeah, as you can see, the list is quite long, all just with profits. Some small, some big. We even have one where I had a bit of time. So here, we bought here, and then I just decided to let it run for a bit, and then actually got the extra profit. So 12.8% profit. You can do that if you have the time. If not, if you're asleep, then don't worry, the 10% one will just save you anyway. But yeah, you don't have to stick to the actual take profit levels once you see that it's going in the really good direction. Okay, so let's look at the open positions that we have. So we have T-loss that's currently still open with a minus 33%. If we look at the market, we can see that it's a really sideways movement, but not very big percentages. So it's hard to trade. So then it's just holding in this case. But we are coming from a long position, very high up, and as you can see, the break even is slowly lowering down, but that's with very minimal trading because there just isn't enough volatility in this market to create the nice percentages that we need to more dramatically lower our break even. But we have patience, it's fine. We're not going anywhere. Then we have the KLV one open, which is also a manual position. We come from here. We missed the 10% sell here, so now we're continuing on with that one. Missed another sell right here, and then I bought again right here because I sold here and I bought again here, and then sold here, sold another one, and sold another one. So that means that I actually can buy more. I still have something that I can buy back, which I will probably do when I see some more movement. And we currently have it set up so that if the market does recover quickly, that we can be out in profit in no time. And then we have energy, which is still open. So the half medium bot was not in this. It got timed out. And yeah, we are seeing a 10% profit target, which by the looks of it should be easy to do. Okay, so let's have a look at the trading analytics to see what the recovery of CEC has done in the all-time one. So you can see in the beginning we were doing really, really well. We had lots of signals, and then Luna crashed, T-Loss crashed, and a few more ZEC crashed, and then we were just in this phase and we were like, oh, will we ever recover from this? And the answer is yes, because when those markets start to return, okay, so Luna was a loss. We've written that off. There's no way to recover from that one in that market. So we have to do that with new signals. And at this point, we weren't full anymore, so we started to recover some profits. So that's when we started our way up again. And then slowly going up. But these big spikes, you can see them right here. These are when big markets return. So big losses, when they return, they generate quite a high percentage in the upwards direction. So that it's not exactly profits, but it is a very fast recovery. And that recovery is not possible to do if you only take 2.5% or 10% profit on those markets, because these markets, they move like 20-30% and then several times in a month, just because of the volatility at the bottom of the market. So that's when you really make these big percentages, and you keep going up. And then we were in profit for a few weeks already. And now when you see that CEC got back, you can see that really big spike. And now we're really topping off the previous profit result. Now, what has this done for the last month? So let's have a look at the monthly results. So as you can see, we have the two bots here and then the total. We had the initial investment of 0.24, which is currently worth about $570. We started with $1,000 per bot, but as the Bitcoin value dropped against the dollar, we've lost dollar value, but we haven't lost Bitcoin value. And the average profit was 84 cents and a total profit of $25, which resulted in 4.4%. Now the 10% bot did a little bit better. So same investment, fewer signals, but more profit per order. So a total of 6%. And in total, then our investment is 0.048 with 46 signals and $1.3 profit per order, which is about $60 and a 5.2% profit per month, which is quite respectable for only trading a few minutes a day. And some days you don't even trade. So let's look at what that's done for the total, because that's where it's really interesting. We can see that with the Luna crash, with the T-Loss crash that we've had on the both bots, we can see what it's done over time. So same initial investment, way more positions for the half median one, and this includes the Luna loss. So we can see here that the half median one is only just recovered. So it takes the half median bot longer to recover from the Luna loss because it uses the same investment as the 10% one. But now if we look over at the 10% one, we can see that it had 99 positions with an average of $1.3 and $134 profit, which is currently 23.6% in 4 months. So that's well above the 5% average a month with the 10% per bot. And just imagine if Luna didn't happen, like that would have been double. But that's why we say this is a long-term strategy. On the long term, these percentages are definitely possible. And if something like Luna doesn't happen anytime soon, then we can see that this will grow very fast again as well. And in the total one, we can see the same investment, but now 239 positions and roughly 12% profit on the total portfolio. So yeah, as you can see, that even though this is a demo account, the percentages are quite real, and the percentages are really, really nice. Far of what you can receive on your bank account. And you don't even need to spend that much time trading, because as you see, if there's no video to make, then it just means that I haven't been able to do anything in the market. I haven't been able to show you anything because the markets haven't been moving really, or everything was done automatically. So I really didn't spend more than 5 minutes a day managing this trading bot. So I don't expect that you did either, which is what I absolutely love about this algorithm and this strategy. So that's it for today's video. Please let me know how your trades are going. And if you see something similar with the 10% bot, or if you're still stuck in the half median one, yeah, please let me know. And I'm really interested to hear how you've been doing over the last few months in this really bear market. And also very curious to see how much time you spend a day managing this trading bot. So please let me know in the comments below, and then I'll see you again on the next video.